Struggling with dull skin or low energy? Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, I wish my skin had more glow, I wasn't so bloated and I just felt lighter, all at once? Or maybe you're tired of chasing solutions that promise the world and deliver nothing. Well, today I'm going to show you how apple cider vinegar, that simple stuff probably sitting in your kitchen right now, can transform your overall health, going way beyond just the scale. It's not only about losing weight, it's about balancing your body, boosting your energy, and even getting that skin glow everyone will notice. And the best part? I've got practical tips you can start today, and a before and after that'll make you want to try this right away. Stick with me till the end, because this journey's going to change how you see that little bottle. Thinking of that, let me tell you how I stumbled onto this. I used to be that person splurging on fancy skin creams and jumping into crazy diets that just left me frustrated. You know that feeling of staring at a shelf full of products and thinking, none of this works? Yeah, that was me. Then one day, almost by accident, I found apple cider vinegar. First, I thought it was just another weight loss trend. You've probably heard it hyped for that, right? But when I started using it, I realized it was so much more. My bloating after meals disappeared, my skin got clearer, and even my energy spiked. All from something that costs next to nothing and was already in my pantry. And I bet you're wondering the same thing I did. Why does this work so well? Let's figure it out together. 'Cause listen, apple cider vinegar is like a quiet superhero for your body. First off, it's a game changer for gut health. Balances your body's pH, which makes digestion smoother and kicks that annoying bloating to the curb, like when you eat something and feel like your stomach's a balloon. It helps keep that from happening, leaving you feeling light inside. And it doesn't stop there, it gives your immune system a boost too. With its antimicrobial properties, it acts like a natural shield, fighting off bad bacteria and keeping colds at bay. Imagine fewer sick days and more energy for your daily grind. That's what it brings. But what really hooked me was the skin benefits. Seriously, it's amazing. The acetic acid cleans your pores, balances oil, and leaves you with that natural glow you don't need a filter for. I started seeing my skin smoother and brighter in just weeks, and I'm not even big on makeup. Oh, and as a bonus, it helps with weight loss. It's not the main event, but it steadies your blood sugar and keeps you fuller longer, so you're less likely to raid the cookie jar in the afternoon. It's like a total package. Health on the inside, beauty on the outside. Now you're probably thinking, okay, but how do I actually use this in my life? It's easier than you'd guess, and I'm going to walk you through 3 simple ways to start today. First, the daily drink. Take a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, mix it into a glass of water with a squeeze of lemon, and sip it first thing in the morning. It's like a wake-up call for your body, kickstarts your metabolism and gets your digestion rolling. If the taste is too sharp, add a tiny bit of honey, but trust me, you'll get used to it fast. Second tip is for your face. Mix 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water, dip a cotton pad in it, and swipe it over your skin at night after washing. It's a natural toner that cleans everything up and leaves your skin with a glow you'll love. I do this a few times a week, and it feels like my face can finally breathe. And here's a quick third idea. Use it as a salad dressing. Mix it with olive oil, a dab of mustard, and boom, you're nurturing your health while eating something tasty. Just a heads up, always dilute it, okay? Using it straight can be harsh on your stomach or teeth, so don't get creative there. These tricks are super easy to fit into your routine, and if you stick with them, the payoff comes quick. And speaking of payoff, let me share what happened after 30 days of doing this. First, I was skeptical, like, how's a sour liquid going to change anything? But as the weeks went by, I started noticing stuff that blew me away. My skin, which used to have these stubborn red marks, got smoother and picked up that glow I'd only seen in edited pics. The bloating I'd feel after eating, especially at night, pretty much vanished, and I felt so light that my energy to tackle the day just shifted. And get this, my jeans even started fitting looser around the waist without me even trying hard. It was like a reset for my body and my confidence. I brought some before and after shots for you to see. Here's my skin with open pores and a dull tone, and here's after, all clear and lit up. It's not magic, it's just sticking with something simple. And I keep thinking, what would this feel like for you? More confidence in the mirror, lighter in your body, with energy to enjoy your day? It's right there for you, and I've shown you how to grab it. So, wrapping this up, apple cider vinegar isn't just about dropping pounds, it's about feeling good from the inside out. Balances your body, gives you that skin glow everyone's after, and lifts your energy to enjoy life more. Why not give it a shot for a week and see what happens? Take these tips, make them your own, and let me know in the comments how it goes for you. If you loved figuring this out with me, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a thing, and share this with a friend who could use a boost in confidence or health. And stick around, because next video I'm bringing another easy trick to supercharge your energy in a way you won't see coming. Ready to keep this journey of taking care of ourselves light and natural? I'll see you there.